Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kini kilongi khubor bamta kasni. Ka President Kari India ka Draupadi Murmu kalawan jengok sngoba ya ka Jaka Pelong Monolith Festival jongka ki HADC hajan lau kuntang. Mau plang East Khasils minha ka khatndu trik ukala lingkon ar hajar ar pusau. Ka President ha ka jingwan jongka Meghalaya kalalit pli ya ka Meghalaya game ka basan hatura men ha ka khatson trik ban natura kalahir da ka helicopter ha Air Force helipad nyomer balik shimbenta ha ka jingyalang pat ba kablalong hamadan lau kentang mau plang. Ya ka President Nasunran lang do ulat ka jela upagu Chauhan u Menteri Rangba ka jela u Konrad Kisangma u sembut Menteri Rangba uba Prestun Tensong bat u CM ka HADC uba penyat Sing CM bat ki Board District. Ha ka jingyalang pat ba ka President ka yaro e ka jing itenat jong ka mau plang ka badai ka jaka penek pensa ya u memberim kum ki klau bat ki mau nam mau benda pensong ka President. Syuk ke Presiden Mars nyuk kejan hamau plang kalah kendek mensim ban yoi ya ki ba ibala lum lupa ban ap ya ka ban yo yang buram om ba ka yoi ya upat ba ka yoi ka jeng itenat jong ka jaka ka blakring ya ka khmat jong ka Presiden dei ya ka lau kentang mau plang ya ka Presiden ap yang sobha da HADC bat ki kri nong sensha.
Europe tidak ni? Not every day kepala. History of that.
That Meghalaya has made considerable headway in the tourism sector, and we are witnessing an unprecedented number of innovative infrastructural and entrepreneurial initiatives aimed at developing tourism and generating livelihood opportunities for our people. As part of that mission, we have put in place a comprehensive tourism policy aimed at positioning Meghalaya as the most preferred tourist destination in the country, grounded on key principles of sustainable and responsible tourism. To provide visitors with a comfortable level travel experience, Tourism Department has introduced a set of innovative schemes like Meghalaya Homestay Scheme, Prime Luxury Tourist Vehicle Scheme, and the Motor Caravan Scheme. Under these schemes, the government provides sustainable, substantial subsidies to entrepreneurs for developing premium accommodation, restaurants, vehicles, wayside amenities, and for ensuring a comfortable commute experience for tourists.
Srimati Draupadi Murmuji to our beautiful state of Meghalaya. On behalf of the people of the state, I would like to extend our heartfelt greetings to our Honorable President on her maiden visit to our state. Meghalaya is a home to indigenous communities who have for generations shared an intimate bond with nature. In no other place is that relationship more vividly enshrined than the Mauplam Sacred Grove. The Mauplam Sacred Grove is not just an iconic tourist attraction of Meghalaya, it is also a symbol of our rich cultural heritage, our ethos of being one with nature, which has been preserved and protected for generations to come. The Honorable President has laid the foundation for the rural tourism accommodation in the villages of Kongtong, Mollingot, and Kulingwetma. The concept of rural tourism will offer the people of Meghalaya an opportunity to not only preserve their way of life, but to showcase it to the world. These are the examples of the best that Meghalaya tourism has to offer, grounded in the principles of sustainable and responsible tourism. Honorable President, our government has set an ambitious target of making Meghalaya a $10 billion economy by 2028. The tourism sector, being a job multiplier, will play a crucial role in our efforts to achieve that target and create sustainable livelihoods for the people of the state and showcase the natural beauty of our landscape to the rest of the world.
Gathered here in large numbers. I was really looking forward to interact with you. When I landed in Meghalaya, I experienced that this state is indeed uniquely placed by Mother Nature. I am told that the Mauplam Sacred Grove is home to the most celebrated of Meghalaya's Langtang or ancient sacred groves. This forest, aged more than 700 years, has attracted many visitors, tourists, and researchers from around the globe. They admire the wisdom of our forefathers who understood and used this traditional concept of conserving nature. We all should make serious efforts to preserve this kind of forest, which is a treasure house of biodiversity. I am happy to know that Meghalaya has been making a determined effort to emerge as a model state and offering a balanced approach to modernity and tradition. With good FDI inflows, high efforts, and a dynamic demography, Meghalaya is emerging as a growth leader and offers an inspiring story. Local produce such as Lakadam turmeric and strawberries are high in demand. I have been told that e-proposal scheme system of the government of Meghalaya has won the coveted UN Award World Summit on the Information Society Forum Prize in 2022. I congratulate the government and residents of Meghalaya for this achievement. The government has made significant conservation efforts to ensure that biodiversity is maintained. I have been told that the Green Meghalaya initiative has been launched through which the communities are rewarded for preserving and protecting the natural cover. Ladies and gentlemen, I have inaugurated various connectivity-related and developmental projects today. I am confident that these projects will improve connectivity and will enable Meghalaya to move ahead on the path of sustainable and inclusive development. Since time immemorial, tribal people has been the vanguard of environmental conservation based on indigenous knowledge, culture and religious beliefs. Tribal practices can be good case studies of how there can be a symbiotic relationship between human beings and nature. Meghalayan people believe that Yugasa or goddess dwells among lush green forests. I have said earlier also that this concept of earth-shaping nature as a divine gift has played a significant role in conservation efforts. Tribal lifestyle contributes to the promotion of natural and national goals of biodiversity conservation and maintaining the ecological balance. Ladies and gentlemen, today I interacted with the self-help groups here in Meghalaya. Women have played a significant role in the success of self-help groups and value chain addition. It is inspiring to see that women are not just passive beneficiaries but active agents of change. I also want to highlight the role of women in conservation and climate action efforts. It is well documented that